All right, so we know how to deal with a controlled single qubit operation for any single qubit operation U and a single control. So now we're going to want to generalize this to a sort of multi-controlled operation. So our definition of a multi-controlled operation, let's have the number of control qubits be generalized and the number of target qubits also be generalized. So let's say we have n control qubits. So before we had 1, n was equal to 1. Now we want to think about how to do it for any general n. And let's have U be a k qubit operator. So before U was a single qubit operator, k was equal to 1. Now we want to generalize and think about how we can do these types of operations in circuits. So the notation that we'll use is c to the n, so a multi-controlled operation with n control bits. So still c for control, n for the number of control bits, and then we'll put the u in parentheses, whatever it is. We will have the registers x1 through xn as our basis states for the control register. And then let's just write generally the state of the target register, which will be on k qubits, can be in any state, and let's call that psi. The way we want to define this operation is the control register won't change, so x1 through xn. And if they're all equal to 1, then we want to apply the u operation. So that'll be u to the product of x1 times xn applied to the state psi. Okay? So this is how we define a multi-qubit controlled operation. Hopefully it's intuitive. It's the same reasoning. If something is true in the control register, then do something to the target register. What do we want to be true in this case? We want all of the bits to be in the 1 state. So that's equivalent to their product being 1, the product of all of them being 1. If that's true, then apply the U gates to the target register psi. In a circuit, we'll use the following notation to indicate this. So I'll do it for the case of n is equal to 4 control qubits, and k is equal to 3 target qubits. So on each wire that we're controlling, we'll have the solid node. And then they'll all be connected with the vertical lines as usual. And then we'll have whatever the, in this case, 3 qubit operation U is. So this is our circuit notation. And this is our definition for what we mean by a multi-controlled or a multi-qubit controlled operation.